Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra, the topic that is about trigonometry. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by sinx. So we have like this. So we need to find the solution of this one and this one. So that means we have sin x equals to number 0 and this one choose sin x plus the square root of number 3 equals to number 0. So I will put this one go to the right and we divide both sides by number 2. So we have sin x equals to negative the square root of number 3 over number 2. And now we have the formula in here. So we have sin 8 equals to b. So this one we will have about 8 equals to arc sine of b. And we have k to b. And k should belong to integers. And 8 equals to b minus arc sine of b plus k to b. So we can apply the formula for this one about number 0. That is about s equals to kb. So this one that is about s equals to arc sine of the square root negative of the square root of number 3 over number 2 plus k to b. And the second one s equals to b minus 2 arc sine with the negative of the square root of number 3 over number 2 plus k to b. So this one that is about negative of the square root of b over 3. This one similar because we have the negative, so we have positive the square b over 3. And this one we have 4b over 3 plus k to b. Now on the question we need to find the solution from 0 to 2b. So in this one we have s equals to kb. That means we will have only k equals to number 0. So s equals to number 0 and k equals to number 1. So we have s equals to b. So we have number 0 and number 1, number 0 and b in here. The next one we have negative b over 3. So in this one that is about the negative outside this range. So we need to put about k equals to number 1 and we put number 1 cone here. And this one we have s equals to negative b over 3 plus 2b. So we have 5b over 3. So we have 5b over 3 in here. If we put k equals to number 2, we have 4b. So 4b minus b over 3, this is outside this one. So we just have only 1. For this one, we put about k equals to number 0. So we have 4b over 3. If we put number 1, this one outside this one, so we just have only 4b over 3. And now I will put into the order. So the next one from 0 to 360 degrees. We know that B represent about 180 degrees. So we put 180 degrees cone here, here, and here. So we have the final answer. So this one we have 180 degrees. So I made a mistake in here, so I need to arrange. So this is the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.